Hi, my name is Morgan Wilbanks, and I'm going to introduce you to a cool tool called Kahoot. Kahoot is a collection of questions on specific topics. Kahoots can be created by teachers, students, business people, social users. They are asked in real time to an unlimited number of players. Kahoot creates a social, fun, and game-like learning environment in your classroom. Best of all, Kahoot is a free tool. You can start by signing up for your free account here by clicking this orange button. I'm going to go ahead and click sign in since I have an account. After creating your free account, you will immediately be prompted to build your first Kahoot. The first thing you will do is click New Kahoot, the purple button in the top left. You will get to choose between 4 different styles of Kahoots: a quiz, a discussion, a survey, and the new option called Jumble. Other 2 options that are listed above are My Kahoots and Public Kahoots. Once you become experienced, you can save your Kahoots and return to them multiple times. Also, if you do not want to create a Kahoot, you can search Kahoots that are already made by the public and just add them to your favorites. Let's look at our first option, quizzes. As you begin creating your quiz, you will be given several options. First, by creating a title, which is required. Next, you will do a description. That is also required so other people can search your Kahoot to add to their page. You can do an optional cover image. You also have to choose who you would like your Kahoot to be visible to only yourself or everyone. You choose your language you would like your Kahoot to be in, and you select your audience. You also have the option of giving credit to resources and doing a little introduction video on what you're about to use your Kahoot for. I like the quiz option the best in my classroom. It gives me a quick look at how many students are answering correctly. To set up the options, discussion, and survey, you follow the same steps. And I'm going to go ahead and just discard this. Let's continue by looking at the new feature Kahoot offers called Jumble. Jumble is a new feature. To create a jumble, you follow the same instructions, just like you would with a quiz. You will then add your jumble questions. When adding questions, be sure to add your answers in the correct sequential order. Kahoot will automatically randomize them during your game. And after you fill out all of your information here, you hit OK, Go, and you will be prompted to enter your questions. And I'm going to discard this just because this is just for showing you. If you decide to choose the option for the public Kahoots, it would look like this. Click Public Kahoots. Sometimes I find this to be beneficial because I do not always have time to make multiple Kahoots. You can search by the title, the subject, a hashtag, or a username. In my grade level, we all take turns making Kahoots for our vocabulary. So all I have to do is search my coworker's username in this box here. You may also decide to search for Kahoots that are relevant to what may be occurring in our world. You can search for most popular, what's trending, or what's trending near you to find those things. And you can see here, these are not any that I have saved, but there's some that are popping up that are featured. To play them, you just hit the play button here, and you can see that this is a quiz with 10 questions. It's available to the public. You can hit favorite to add it to your favorites, or you can hit share to send a link to someone else. Also, you may choose the option to create your own Kahoots, and that would be great. If you do, after clicking My Kahoots up at the top, you will see this screen. This is actually my personal Kahoot page. So you can see Kahoots that I have made. I used one at my Christmas party. And then these are some of my vocabulary quizzes. I used All About Miss Wilbanks at the beginning of the school year. So all of these are saved for me that I can go back to throughout my career and use. You can search Kahoots that are already created. Kahoots that you have saved by favoriting, you click here. Maybe someone else created them. Here are some that I have favorited on figurative language, Greek and Latin vocabulary, and so forth. This is actually a vocabulary lesson created by my coworker, and I just favorited it, and it is saved. In closing, Kahoot is a great tool for many professions. I think it is a great tool for teachers to do quick checks on their students. It is a great tool for students to be able to display their learning and possible learning needs. It's also a great way for teachers to collaborate and share ideas. You may even allow your students to create their own Kahoot. Hopefully you will try Kahoot in your classroom this year.